Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Leslie, and behind the camera is my brother Jody, and we are today in a very special location. This was on our top priority list. We are in a medical train. This is a train that was used in the World War, in the Second and the First World War, around 1935, 1945, something like that. And there are only a few left of these in Germany, and we are the only one that's explorable. And there's only one wagon that we can enter, and this is the wagon that we are standing in now. This is a surgery wagon. This is where they performed surgeries on the move. And that's this room. A surgery room in the middle of a moving train. You can look here. This was to give birth, I think. Wow. Incredible, just incredible. This table is 70 years old. People have given birth on this table. Wow, it is in such nice condition. Oh, how must that have been to be laying here on a moving train and giving birth or getting a surgery? Wow. Here, the jacket even of the surgeon. Doctor is still here. What have we got here in the closet? Wow, needles and everything. Oh. That's from this bottle. There are still some drugs inside of the medical cabin here, but wow, they are from 1945. Oh no, this one is from 1930. They're all from 1930. Wow, that's old. Some needles and everything is still here. The closet is the closet is locked. The cabin is locked, so can't get in. Okay, let's have a quick look over there. Let's see what we can find there. Oh, there's another medical cabin. Let's see what we have inside of here. Neurovascular. Wow, that's so incredible. That's just lying here. Yes, come inside of here. And we have some strange machines over here. Film them, Jordi, and I'm gonna ask you guys in the comment section what they are, because I have no clue. No, absolutely no clue. I'm not a doctor, so. Okay guys, that was this week's video. Sorry that it was so short, because we could only explore one of the wagons because the other ones were locked. I had to show it to you guys because this was one of my top priority list aerobics locations, and we are going to move on to another location in East Germany here today now. And yeah, I want to say goodbye. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me something, support us on Patreon, and we love you with all our hearts. Bye.